If you're looking to discover trending products for your online business, then learning how to use JungleScout to identify new product trends is a game changer. Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can use this tool to pinpoint the most lucrative products in any niche without wasting time or money. Plus, by the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive way you can try JungleScout for free so you can start your research right away. JungleScout's powerful suite of tools helps you uncover trending products by using real-time data from Amazon's marketplace. Whether you're just starting out or scaling an existing business, the product research features are perfect for finding high-demand items with low competition. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to use it. JungleScout's interface is user-friendly, and I'm about to show you how to navigate it effectively. First, let's jump into the product database, which allows you to filter through millions of products to find the best opportunities. You can use specific filters like category, price range, reviews, and more. This helps you narrow down to products that are not only popular, but also align with your target market. One of the best things about the product database is that you get to access historical data, which shows how products have been performing over time, so you can spot emerging trends before they become saturated. Next, we'll take a look at the Opportunity Finder. This tool is great for identifying niches with the highest potential for growth. By entering your preferences, such as product category or competition level, JungleScout will generate a list of opportunities that fit your criteria. This is perfect for discovering gaps in the market that you can fill with a new product idea. With the Opportunity Finder, you can quickly assess which trends are just beginning to take off and capitalize on them early. If you want even more specific insights, JungleScout's Keyword Scout is the tool to use. This allows you to see what keywords are driving traffic for top-selling products in your niche. With this data, you can better understand customer intent and adjust your product offering or marketing strategy to match what people are actively searching for. This insight into customer behavior is invaluable for spotting emerging trends and gaining an edge over the competition. Finally, the Sales Analytics tool is your secret weapon when it comes to understanding how well products are selling. With it, you can track your competitors' sales data, which helps you gauge how popular a product is, as well as its growth potential. Plus, you can see which products are seasonal or have consistent year-round demand, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. As you can see, JungleScout is an all-in-one tool that provides valuable insights to help you identify new product trends. But here's the kicker. By using JungleScout for free through the exclusive link below, you can test out all these features and start finding trending products right away. Before I wrap up, don't forget that with my special offer, you'll get an extended free trial of JungleScout, so you can dive deep into all the data and see the results for yourself. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or scaling to the next level, JungleScout gives you the tools to succeed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the link in the description for your exclusive trial. Happy product hunting,